Welcome to Suvi Education. Today we will learn exercise of the lesson 3 questions of your book Honeycomb of class 7. Straightway to the question number 1. Why was the king advised to go to magicians? The king was advised to consult magicians because they alone could look into the future and decide the right time to do a thing. Next question. In answer to the second question, whose advice did the pupil say would be important to the king? Here is the answer. In answer to the second question, the pupil said that the advice of counselors, priests, or doctors or soldiers would be important to the king. Next question. What suggestions were made in answer to the third question? Here is the answer. In answer to the third question, some said that science was the most important thing. Others suggested fighting or religious worship. Next question. Did the wise man win the reward? If not, why not? Here is the answer. No, the wise man didn't win the reward because none could give a satisfactory answer. Next question. How did the king and the hermit help the wounded man? Here is the answer. The king and the hermit removed the wounded man's clothing. The king washed the wound and covered it with his handkerchief. He dressed the wound a second time to stop the bleeding. Then the king and the hermit carried the man to a bed in the hut. Next question, part 1. Who was the bearded man? Here is the answer. The bearded man was, in fact, the king's enemy. He had taken a vow to take revenge. The king had killed the man's brother and confiscated all his property. Question number 6, second part. Why did he ask for the king's forgiveness? Here is the answer. The wounded man begged the king to forgive him. He was grateful to the king who had saved his life. He felt guilty at heart. He promised to serve the king all his life. Next question. The king forgave the bearded man. What did he do to show his forgiveness? Here is the answer. The king forgave the bearded man. He promised to send his servant and the doctors to look after him. He also returned the property seized by him. Next question. What were the hermit's answer to the 3 questions? Write each answer separately. Which answer do you like most and why? Here is the answers. The hermit answered the king's question in his own way. He said that now the present time was the best time. Had he gone back, he would have been killed by his enemy. Second, the bearded man was the best man at that moment. Third, to do good to the hermit and the bearded man was the most important thing for the king? I like the answer to the first question most because it is the most logical. Now, here is the matching. Question number one, working with the language. Column A are the sum of the words and column B is the meanings. Now, we'll match it. Here is the example: fainted, lost consciousness. Now, from the column A, first wounded. Wounded, then you have to match it with B, severely injured. Awoke, got up from sleep. Forgive means pardon. Faithful means loyal. Pity, feel sorry for. Beds, beds, small patches of ground for plants. Return, give back. Use any three of the above words in sentences of your own. You may change the form of the word. So out of these seven, we'll take three. Now we'll take faithful first. Faithful. Dogs are usually faithful. Next we'll take pity. Take pity on the poor. Next we take return. The king returned the property of the bearded man. So here return is used here. Question number 2. Each of the following sentences has two blanks. Fill in the blanks with appropriate form of the word given in brackets. This is a first example. He has to help me. Do you think he will remember his? Here is the word promise. Promise is to be filled in the correct form in two blanks. Here, the example here now, answer. He has promised to help me. Do you think he will remember his promise? Now here is the one. The. Here they fill in the blanks first. Said that only fresh evidence would make him change his. Now judges the word is to be filled in two blanks. First here judge. And second one here judgment. Second one, I didn't notice any serious of opinion among the debaters, although they, from one another over small points, differ is the word to be filled here. In the first, I didn't notice any differences. Difference. Second here, differ. Third one, it is a fairly simple question too, but will you accept my as a final? Word is answer. So here it is a fairly simple question to answer. But will you accept my answer? It isn't that should always be the mother of invention. Word is necessary. So we'll fill here now. Here, necessary. And in the second one, necessity. Hermits are men. How they acquire their, no one can tell. Word here is wise. Wise is used here. Now, hermits are wise. Wise men, how they acquire their wisdom. Next, the committee has to make Jagdish captain of the team. The is likely to please everyone. Word is decide. So in the first one, the committee had decided. In the second, decision. Asking for is as noble as willingness to. Word is forgive. So here in the first one, asking for forgiveness. Here in the second, forgive. Speaking and writing. Here, first question, imagine you are the king. Narrate the incident of your meeting the hermit. Begin like this. Suppose you are the king now here. Now complete incident at the meeting while you are meeting the hermit. Just write down now how you will write. The wise man answered my question, but I was not satisfied with their answer. One day I decided to go and meet the hermit. Now further, what you can write here. You can write further. I left my bodyguard behind. I went alone to the hermit's hut. I found him digging bed. He was old and looked tired. I put him my questions, but he gave no answer. I took the spade from him and began to work in his place. When I had dug two beds, I repeated my questions. Several hours passed and the sun went down. Now the king decided to take leave of the wise men. Suddenly, they saw someone running towards them. So that much you can write here only. Second one, imagine you are the hermit. Write briefly the incident of your meeting the king. And you can begin like this. Now the complete incidents you will write. And secondly, you have to imagine that you are the hermit. So you can start writing that. One day I was digging in my garden. A man in ordinary clothes came to see me. I knew it was the king. But I went on digging the bed. The king asked me some questions. He wanted their answers, but I did not speak. He noticed that I was tired, so he took my spade and began to dig himself. He repeated his questions. He was about to go away when a wounded man came running there. That's all for today. Thank you. If you like this video, share it, press a bell icon and subscribe to Savi Education for more educational videos.